won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah.
Good morning, good people. Okay, so tomorrow is my mama's birthday. She's not taking off on her birthday. We're celebrating today, but it's snowing, so now she doesn't want to go anywhere. But I'm gonna still go over there and hang out. And it's gonna be snowing tomorrow too. Supposedly it's gonna be like a storm. I don't know, but yeah. Anyway, that's what today brings. So that's where we're going. So come on with me. I don't know. I've had plans to hang out with my mama all day, but I don't think we're gonna be able to do that cause it's snowing. Y'all see that? Y'all see that window? Yeah, look. Look at that. Okay, get off of here. I don't want to preview it. You mean to tell me I ain't record that? Did I record it or no? Anyways, so my windshield is done defrosting, and so now we're about to get on the road. It's about a 15-minute drive. Shouldn't take too long to get there. Yeah, hold on. I really want to show y'all this. Oh, I can't. Minutes. I don't think I'm gonna pull out the camera to be on the safe side. Okay, so I'll see y'all when I get there. Why does it keep saying that? I don't care. Okay, my camera was acting funny earlier, so I had to see if it was gonna act right. So we made it. I'm gonna try to see what I can catch. My mama does not like being on camera, so I'm gonna respect that and not have the camera all in her face or anything. But whatever I can get, we will. Look at it. Ah. Alright, y'all, we nice and full. About to go.
He likes original mild.
We are at Home Depot, cause most people mamas on their birthday, they might want to get their nails done or something. No,
Not me.
my mama want a tree. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh, there I go with that neighing. Help it. Ooh, ooh, pomegranate.
I want this, but I'm afraid it won't, and I won't make it. I don't know.
Ooh, kiwis. Imagine, well, I'm like, imagine growing a grape.
I have grapes. Okay, we can go in.
Ooh. Oh, you get. All right. What are y'all growing this year? Ooh, what is this? The Green Knight hybrid?
I looked at my last frost last night, which gives me, I can wait until like March 11th, I think. So, because if I put them out, you know, they get to that point where they need to be put outside, and then I can't put them out, then I'm like, oh, no, what? So I might get this. But let's go look at, I'm looking at something like this. We'll look at a chainsaw.
A chainsaw.
I need to get out there.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. So I'm gonna go back and get that little thing, and I'll be done.
You can't barbecue in no apartment building. Well, you can, but
You can barbecue in our backyard.
y'all don't be wanting to barbecue for real.
Oh, Crystal.
Mmm.
For a chainsaw.
Smells good down here. That's a yeah. A leaf blower. That's what I was trying to say. I couldn't think of it.
You see that? Oh, because I was saying, oh, you see that?
I ate so good. I'm so full. I feel like my pants digging in my back. Uh-oh. We don't do that on the... Who's coat?
I see something that say $10.
They got blackberries, blueberries. What?
It's stuck to the...
My mom said, y'all better come get y'all blueberries. They $10.
This.
Uh-oh. What's in it? What? Viburnum. I thought they said vibranium. Ooh, a plum cot.
So I need something to put them in.
If I catch a cold,
Help me out.
we know why. Blame Clarita. My nose is red because it's cold. You know, I would come in Home Depot just to smell it. Smells so good. It's cold, y'all. It is freezing today. Next level. I'm waiting on her because them folks was too close. And there was no way I was getting up in there. We had CVS. She coming for medicine, but honestly, I just want to shop. Because CVS got some good stuff. Ugh, I can't even stand walking by no trash can. Ooh.
Monday. Wow.
Happy birthday. Nobody's saying
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Patricia.
That's not.
That ain't happy birthday?
No.
You gotta say it.
You gotta say happy birthday twice.
Oh, okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Get on tape.
Happy birthday, dear
Patricia. Happy birthday to you.
Don't spit on it.
I'm already like this.
Yay!
Oh.
You know, I really don't like my side profile. Anyway, so I'm headed home. It is freaking cold, and by the time I get home, I'm gonna be all the way out the gate before my car warm up. I already know, but it's so cold. It's 22 degrees, but when I checked earlier, it said it felt like 12, and it feels every bit of that. So I'm just trying to get home before it starts snowing again, and you know, just in case the roads start to freeze or anything like that, I'm trying to be at the crib. Today was a good day. It was like a real chill little vibe with my mama. It was nice to spend time with her for her birthday, so I won't get to see her tomorrow. But I'm glad I was able to bring y'all along. It's been a long day though. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm ready to go get comfy. I really want to go get some braces, like, because it's just like okay. So look, I was practicing trying to keep my mouth closed, and I couldn't do it. I could not do it. It was like trying to focus in and hone in on closing my mouth. I couldn't do it because I always have my lips parted. Like, I always have my mouth open like this or something. Also, I don't know, because majority of the pictures when I was a kid, like if I'm smiling or anything, my top row always covered my bottom, so I wouldn't know. But I don't think I always had a gap. Like, just saying it sound crazy, but my bottom row, that was not like that. I was actually supposed to call them today, but I just didn't get around to it. Maybe tomorrow, if they're open, sometime this week, I'm gonna call somebody to see if we can get a orthodontist appointment. I'm like, girl, you just be. We made it home, and I just wanted to close out the vlog and tell y'all goodbye, because the last few vlogs I realized I wasn't closing it out properly. And I guess maybe, like, we real calm, cool, collected over here. I just don't always want to have to sit and tell y'all like, comment, subscribe. Just, if you rocking with me, you know what to do. You know what to do. If y'all would like, comment, subscribe. Until the next time,